Okay, let's move on. There's been a major development as far as India's space forays are concerned. The Vikram lander successfully separated from Chandrayaan-2 orbiter at 1315 hours. That's 1:15 p.m. Indian Standard Time today. I think the time given out by ISRO has been 1:16 p.m. and 36 seconds. But I'll get you more on that in just a bit. The Vikram lander is currently located in an orbit of 119 kilometers by 127 kilometers. Chandrayaan-2 orbiter continues to orbit the moon in its existing orbit. The health of the orbiter and lander is being monitored from the Mission Operations Complex. That's the MOX at ISRO's Telemetry Tracking and Command Network is tracked in Bengaluru with support from Indian Deep Space Network. That's IDSN antennas at Bailalu near Bengaluru. All the systems of Chandrayaan-2 orbiter and lander are healthy. That's what ISRO is saying. The next maneuver is scheduled tomorrow between 0845 and 0945. That's between 8:45 and 9:45 a.m. That's tomorrow. The Indian Standard Time still applies. Let me take you across to my colleague Aisha Khanam for more on this, joining us from Bengaluru. Aisha, this is another landmark event as far as India's second journey to the moon, foray to the moon is concerned. What more can you tell us about this? How did it exactly, how was it made possible, and what is expected to happen next?
Well, Gautam, this was a big achievement by ISRO today, and ISRO scientists in Bangalore at the ISTRAC are in jubilant mood. And as soon as they separated the Vikram lander from the orbiter, there was celebrations in the control room, the ISTRAC, which is the telemetry command center of ISRO. And also, this happened within seconds. And as the separator, as the Vikram lander was separated from the orbiter just around 1:15, and within 1 minute the separation happened as the scientists were ready with all the commands, and they were ready with all the parameters which are required for the separation, and the separator and the Vikram lander separated from the orbiter, and it is heading towards the moon surface, and the orbiter is now moving in the orbit of the moon. So right now it is a challenge for the ISRO scientists to maintain these two missions. One, they have to look at the orbiter, and on the other hand, they have to monitor and track the Vikram lander for September 7th landing. And this is a giant step for ISRO, because now the ISRO scientists say that about 75% of this journey of Chandrayaan-2 is almost complete. Okay. So there will be two maneuvers tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and all will be set for a perfect smooth, soft landing, which is planned by ISRO on September 7th.
Yes, but Aisha, this is where this entire mission Chandrayaan-2 goes into uncharted territory, right? And this is going to be the first time that ISRO will be attempting something of this sort, a soft landing on the moon.
Yes, absolutely. ISRO has destined this mission towards the south lunar pole, and this is the place which is unexplored, and this is the region which all the scientists across the world are looking for data and for information from this region, so that the future explorations can be planned. So all eyes are on on this mission as such, because ISRO has not taken up landing. The soft landing earlier before, even Chandrayaan-1 was successful, but ISRO had not planned landing on the moon as such. And the soft landing is a big challenge for ISRO, because this has to be perfect with the precisions, as the ISRO scientists tell us, and as the chairman has been telling that this will be about 15 terrifying moments for the ISRO scientists, because they have to get that soft landing, avoid the lunar dust on the lander, and keep all the sensors and all the systems in working conditions, so that the mission gives the feedback and all the data to the command center. So this is a big challenge for ISRO scientists at the moment, and they are looking forward to a successful
a
landing
sleepless
on
night
7th.
to beat all sleepless nights, starting the 6th of September itself, but even in between that time, starting from now perhaps, I doubt how many winks will these ISRO scientists and their head be able to get. Aisha, you sleep soundly till then at least, because I'm sure it's going to be a long night for you too come September 7th. Thanks a lot for joining.